Ewa atrema kasa dodo emfa hwema erade kaso na manya imaso
Ghana for wa botwe ha ya say dene yenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akukudro for se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudim akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Abusianfo Ebraso, it's time for legal matters. I am Wisemart for Anna Edisa Jumay Abusianfo Ebraso. Today is Wednesday. Now, Senia Munimono Wednesday, Bia number 7 to 8 p.m. UK time. No, it's time for legal matters. I Jumadia ene Wisemart Solicitors. Edi na ochibia fa enkrata semho. Senia mo munimo enkrata sem de ehia pa so wa briche na enkrata semu ensisi so a unia abrabo no enye desa enti na de yense brakwa ya memfa lawyer Wisdom lawyer Francis ebusiafo mo panche na me ya so bidiwa lawyer Francis Bosompim Senator Danyina ye no wa bini ombranu pa from Wisemart for enti na de yense brakwa. Lawyer Francis, welcome to Legal Matters. Pacho Tiseo.
Thank you, DJ KB. Why the Daruma, Nyoma Kosobrel, our Wisemart Solicitors, are sure yet. In Chiakas here, come out any your TF1 after for more sharing our top online radio.
Yo, I Josopa na. I update bi ho oni e be cha na oni atiefo e betimi acha ke bedamase.
Yo, Midasi DJ KB. Yeah, update bia and share down by, but in the course of the week, they better journal na me say share and only 2 days being on the 8th of August.
Okay.
Yes, what does the government new plan for legal migration and border control mean for the future? Yeah, brofo tintia ameka ni na che say abano e de ne plan bia ba regarding say your border control no or see in future the opese eye because idea way ama Tembian Home Secretary any UK government e the plans are omo pese omo di control immigration any asylum e wo UK no e hihye e de ba say the next 2-3 years 5 years a die nim debe na betumi aye and I say debe no be ya be ma your borders no aye effective and efficient into what me omodi aba no na me pese ye di tudwa. I think say omo year trials of the year basis no say na AC kono but mostly all these things no year basis no omo according to them omo say already for year citizens and our BNOs and our certain cohorts of skilled workers and only online business be our media introducing and a biomo so no almost amanya say they are coming to introduce way automatic gates be that digitalization gates our borders say na be ya udru ha say wo do passport me to so na bie dan say anka fei na immigration officer e ba be fifi passport mu. But all these things omo pese omo ma the border looks effective and efficient. Into what I always say is say day in day out home secretary or the say akwan two kwema the next 5 years, the next 2 years eda yenim is akraye ebeba kakra. But all these things share say ebeboa na say emoye. Into the only thing is say fingers crossed and let's watch the opesa wadiba na share say ebeboa. Because when you know some sort of UK immigration nyoma eko ye yenya ehutima and I say fa certain bia ye complain say where you say alongside this update the me person me say to the say tembia ye Wisemart Solicitors ye there to say any platform be mount to be you better update your listeners, your viewers on decision making time frame from the home office. Into your share with your family route application consists of private life, consists of parent, consists of partner route now. Say na a woman 11 months need that to jina honma changes bia emaye. Na ene ya kan say changes ba ye bebo dewro ama ye nuan mo hwe etie any platform bia ye be koso bia eno ye in country application but outside ye fa bibi to say spousal visa na still no 24 weeks and also no changes bia ma nti ye hwe ni mu ena ye fa visitors visa first na nanka 3 weeks say 6 weeks. To all these things, you say home office, I was say moye mu bibi. Ti ye share say na esi kono. Uko kan on be catch us say a humanitarian crisis. Uko kan ye be catch us say Ukraine and Russia war ninti. We have to prioritize some applications be against others. But all this time ye share and they go also home office be catch us say they are short of staffs and all sort of excuses. But the full say home office are not being fair to our clients. But we will not stop chasing them. We will not stop pushing them for them to make a decision on the Enkrata. Why? Now updates say no.
Yo lawyer Meda Sipa. A tip for a topic I ever discussed spouse visa application. Making a UK spouse visa application. No any yen topic I ever discuss. Na answer ne sha say no na be 72 anim say our lines are open, the phone line is open ti obetimi afre na what question bia about today's topic and any legal issue bia or bia no obetimi afre no bisa na lawyer so omo obeyi wa no we dey eya akoye say a free consultation busia frena we dey eya lawyer onyiwa no because pa ho offer na we na akoya samfro enti the number is on your screen 0208 133 5876. That is 0208 133 5876. So question be able to me friend na lawyer you are no. So on beso fresh now but type we can send it to our in the Facebook comment section where you can type your question there, or you can WhatsApp me on our studio WhatsApp number, which is 079 029 44398. That's 079 029 44398. Into whichever way I are convenient with me as send a question lawyer is you are no. Your lawyer Entisa a UK spouse visa no. Where do we make it? Where can an applicant make this application? In the UK, Can it be made from anywhere, or should it be made inside the UK, outside? Where can I make my visa, spousal visa application?
Yo, me that's DJ KB. The etienne say UK spousal visa no. For individuals omawari British for, and also omawari obi okuta indefinite leave to remain. UK ha. Inti ubeye bibi a friend or a partner of a person settled in UK or a British citizen.
Okay.
And now a partner of those with leave as a refugee or humanitarian protection. Who's with leave under Appendix EU 1 or with a leave as a Turkish worker or a Turkish business person. So Ushama Sankofo Wemuna Kwanja a Wama. But Ushama question now to and say, where can I make my spousal visa application? It has to be in the UK because a chese Nipana only a warrior and Nipana Wawari no or UK ha and ya obia say ya grantino visitors visa na opeso worry there bida and tisa inti mo amkuta visitors visa na amaba no ewukra na unni akwanja ewo hanumo say wo say worry ewo kroma unless say ukuta bibi efe no marriage visa na say fiancé visa and no application is different inti na share question out to ma me na e was application ye free UK hanumo. Why DJ KB?
Yo, na enti sa made me oha na makoware obi ofia still na no just a me application oha and
yo oko worry now we application no who person oko fani pana oko worry no yam fani say Ghana no application for and only a spousal visa for entry clearance. It's known by outside. The difference is what we say, the one a war within UK and the one outside UK. Into the war outside always is entry clearance. You need an entry clearance before you can come to the UK. That's the reason why you have to do that entry clearance visa application on the basis of what worry British near now say will be our settled with UK have. You better under spousal visa under the Appendix FM of the immigration rules.
Tina says spousal visa application in there inside the UK near no.
Mami and may clarify the two. They now have the spousal visa, but the difference is wo na wo ye no enfa na wo ye free. Onwokafo ne we enfa na onwokafo ne free. Say onwokafo ne to UK na wo outsider. Obeye entry clearance one.
Okay.
Say one onwokafo nyina wo UK ha. Na wo go for renewal. Ma worry akwanja wo say worry wo UK ha. Now to UK ha, we bet me your application no every UK ha. That's the difference a woman no.
Oh, okay. All right. Yo, look for yet twice no. I'm saying net topic near UK spouse visa application. UK spouse visa application. And then say I worry will be say either some more chrome ha or send a letter mono. We are British citizen and our indefinite leave to remain. Now what worry will be the application process no. And no and I until lawyer fire what is the process? The entire application process for UK spouse visa.
Yo, the ATN is almost home office or more applications need now online application. In this case, online you need to click say and I say Google be a friend of spousal visa. A bema application form no I'm a filling no online and as a family root application. Into Google no ebe yama na show application kwa person we use either as a parent or either as a spouse of a British citizen or a person settled in UK or a person having indefinite leave to remain. Don't forget that you form a part of it, either limited leave to remain or indefinite leave to remain. These are the things that me say yes and so. Tiwunya sa application form no online. Then you prepare yourself towards the questions every step depending on the sort of application. Now after the fill form no online no, now you heading towards your supporting documents opportunity. Ama will upload it. But before then no, you need to book for your biometric residence permit card permit or card they be issue amount. Inti no, you need to make sure say what book data if we favor or the back enrollment of the biometrics. And not and I say into after submission, you know, date now call now before so we call for biometric enrollment, you know. I was saying making sure say with documents, supporting documents now you've uploaded them before say we call for biometric appointment. And yes, I could do or no checking now upload here. First, it will waste you time for the decision to be made. Into these are the things the process of making an application, you know. Now, normally, say one priority or super priority extra 800 you are going to get the decision the next 11 months. But who is super priority? And answer priority priority the next 5 working days. Super priority the next 24 hours. Unsabeka decision. Not just said this is how the procedure works out. DJ KB.
Yo, lawyer, now a priority and then super priority. In the first place, what is the standard application fee for UK spouse visa? Then what is the fee for the priority, and what is the fee for the super priority?
Yo, when you come to the standard application fee now, now 1,048. That's 1048.
Okay.
And no bear in mind say home office fee pen obetia. Obetia be a friend of immigration health surcharge because you sue or more NHS facilities. No? And no, every year be 624. To multiply by 30 months now, it will be 1,560.
Wow.
Including of the home office fee, 1,048. Now with the account. Now yambra baby I will say super priority.
Yeah.
Difference woman say is in terms of the decision making. But when it comes to the money wise, you know, you pay the same 800.
Oh, for priority 800, super priority 800.
Yes.
Oh, then you go for super priority.
Yes. Because by the timing of the decision, you know, a man a difference, you know. Priority, you know, your next 5 working days.
Okay.
Super priority, the next 24 hours.
Wow. Yeah. 24 hours.
Yeah, but it starts from when I walk enroll for biometrics.
Wow.
Into why application now what mean your decision unless walk enroll for biometrics.
All right. Your lawyer, that's party for UK spouse visa application. UK spouse visa application. In Tisena Kano, early bets, Facebook mobile no share why na afro so timi atb here pa nkrata asem de na na kese kwesi da ko kwesi boache Wisemart for ankasa so so hwe Derek Smith so fire J no mama mabanyina mon share na afro so intimate bi we the lines are open to your question be abetime bisa na lawyer Francis you are no we a bit of free consultation. Take advantage. You can call the number on your screen 0208 1335876, or type your question in the Facebook section, comment section. Your lawyer, na share a supporting documents. Say, oh yeah, a UK spouse visa application. What are the supporting documents required? Na senebeya se mubi yebia yebehu nyema say the count na ya mfa yankotu skengu because unia over £1,000 na okotugu na unsa nka unia no say sembebre the lawyer for you supporting documents because I know say no say ade ba kwa na factor contributed to visa refusal say yem for the right documents enka ho until lawyer for you spouse visa application, what are the required supporting documents? Thank you, sir.
Yo, Mr. Meda say, sir, your car spouse visa application requirements of the documents now. Yeah, you share into categories of it. Being owner one, you will say meet immigration requirements. Say, visa no unchain money because already you come out be. Say ko fa ofifie ne ba ya ye be ma wo de ba be wrem o to aso a still no visa no wo hono mo men ka say me twa ma me visa na gu ansa na makwa e renew a there be hopefully ya the home office e kan say e be ka 28 days ama visa na gu a na I was say go for renewal I was say we make application within the 28 days ti ushema your immigration requirement in this Sunday as one, your relationship stands another. Now financial requirement. Remember how now you're breaking it down. Now a be also no accommodation, English language, and also can be. In Tiamfa, sir, relationship requirement. Nipa na was sponsor no.
Okay.
Okuta den or a British ni was settled down. Ewa ha na. One any relationship. Then NHS won in our relationship. Mo marriage certificate. At the time I'm worried na Imran say was over 18. Until we bibisa, you need to be very careful. Sir, wage near less than 18 Imran be yo and no sooner was which say more worry near genuine intend to live together permanently. Also subsisting as well. After relationship, it comes down to show say, Mona, more baby, I'm okay, accommodation wise. And a biomusono say applicant, English language nearly first language, or so English language be. And now so few countries are more exempt from that one, and also no famujani. Inti ushe my English language, accommodation wise, relationship wise, financial requirement na mpese me baso no say umuka for say on sponsor wa was say oye adwuma for 18,600 and also a self-employed and no one ma you work out something and also was saving for it has to get about 62,500 for the savings to meet the financial requirement.
Okay.
In the financial requirement, dear you are Sikasema, emphasis say but say who here within this country already one character for renewal. Financial requirement doesn't mean say it's only the sponsor. It could be say who applicant in the crown who meet the financial requirement. I.e. Wajuma we last pay slips. UPCC chair you miss the threshold above the threshold being the 18,600.
Okay.
As long as you be prove, normally partner no, any applicant no, omuka musika boma they can prove it. And now say baku pebeka say me pen and me sponsor, and also it doesn't matter. It depends on how I will share them. Who person on kwan we are as the applicant? The only thing say you have to meet the 18,600.
Okay.
So person omuka for count one. No so BBNC kwan. It was say who make sure say mumienu you can't mo annual income boma before tax. You find the gross income no. It was say a year 18,600. In Kolawoma, additional amount of money ever count 2-4 and that as it goes along. Inti, what I always say is it's a strict requirement under the spousal visa. Unless you don't meet all the requirements, no, and you push you on the 10-year route. So, who meet all the requirements you are looking for, you will be on the 5-year route. Not straight say amount 5 years. Who be call it 2.5, 2.5. Who can be a bomb now when you have 5 years, then you go for indefinite leave to remain. And now settlement. Now DJ KB documents I will say we are no and I'm not possible. Why? Into meeting financial requirements now you need to use your pay slips, last 6 months pay slips, bank statement, last 6 months bank statement. It has to tally. It has to. You can say be a friend accountant for me. It has to make bank reconciliation. Being said, the money you put your employer gave it to you on the pay, your pay slip has to reflect on your bank statement. That's how bankers reconcile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not sa income requirements on yeah. Actually follow up so like so get information or confirmation from HMRC yeah, do they actually do that follow up? And I say documents now they can no share there.
Yo, I know your financial requirement.
Yeah, the financial requirement.
The TN said one of the strict requirements you need to meet it. Until I will check it from all banks, national data be check it. Here they run the checks now, it will come out say documents now with the banner are authentic, are genuine. And some of my say I'm Sikano so genuine, they are them.
Lawyer, where the question be with the banner mean no say I can't say HMRC 4 at the car abreno. Na obisa almost onya additional income which was not declared. And
Mabel, what's it HMRC?
Yeah.
At the car abreno.
Yeah, so it's like he underpaid tax because he did not declare all his income.
Yes.
And he asked them how did they know he got other income, and he said they know it from his bank statement. So he wanted to know, does HMRC have the right to go into somebody's bank account? You think so? Yeah. And do they have that right? So personal bank account.
And yes, Omatra a share, let alone say they can't go there. Because Omumrano and Momukain a check it bibia. Sir, they are working, I guess any panabaya self-employed. Inti or filing the tax, they believe say no. A Juma they should have earned more. And they have access to information. I said, a fee waiver now will be supported now or the bank statement about.
Okay.
Home Office will access to information or running checks about this bank statement.
Until I want to actually say or any question. So do they have the right to go into somebody's bank account to look into it, know what transaction is going on? Or more bank account Musa?
Yes, but a better one, a mom, yes, I don't know.
Hey, there's a mra or momo.
Yes, sir, of course, sir, something is not right. Of course, sir, they believe, sir. I said, Urani firm now, I catch on, sir. They know, sir, your turnover can hit about 50,000, 50 million. Now, what about they declare 1 million? What about they declare 10,000? They know the system, so it's hardly for you to say you are beating the system and get away with it. There be that.
Yo, lawyer, I'm the Ubia about line also. Young fan away. Hello. Legal matters in Bacha one free.
Me pacho me di abuna me or short question ya me pese me di.
Bacha ma ne so ma me why na lawyer antunka.
Yeah, me say me was short question ya me pese nka me bisa lawyer na o cheche mu.
Yo, ma ne nko.
Me whether me chia only with you for any lawyer na me another network bi ano or lawyer bi e chiro mu say ya ujina oba so ne ya ma won krata 2.5 years. Na like uno akwala no ne ma ni nyina na ti a untimi switching ko 5 years na me teke me say no kwedu wo sana na bibi ni na lawyer so ama medication.
Yo, where jina so I na lawyer e bi obusa follow question say lawyer mpa cha the question no say one ujina oba so ya ma 2.5 years. Which means ebi anaze nka onam you can go 10-year route. Can you switch to 5 years ana?
Yes, we bet me I switch 5 years, but you need to meet the straight requirements under the parent route switching. No, until we meet that straight requirements now, we bet me I switch to 5-year route as a parent of a child settled in the UK and now as a British citizen child. Why?
Na only according to the nipa na kan say ema untimi switch me say oni akwala no ene ne ma ni nyina na ti.
Yo, so oni akwala no ene o ma mi nyina na ti a o ma mi nkrata na ye den.
Ene indefinite leave to remain na akwala no kuta British.
Ma mi no worry no.
Yo worry wo humam.
But when you're not now for how long?
More than 3 years.
More than a year.
More than 3 years. Also more than 3 years.
More than 3 years.
Yeah.
Yo, one scenario now I can't remember. Twitch any better day on the basis say, my many year Juma the income ever do 18,600.
Bro, yeah.
I say bro. Yeah,
bro,
I guess.
More years application. What the my many income can one?
May first application or no sponsor or support tool.
At that time now on crata.
Baby.
Okay. The answer me put some follow-up questions. And they say Home Office what in Mabia say oh your application now person would not my minute any akola is what Omumra and started or see 2018 we changes be by under the settlement scheme settlement application they say family route, Sir, when it happens that way, omudi can share one my many relationship, you can add the auto BBI your friend partner route. And son I the akolana baba ye BBI a can one your friend exceptional circumstance. Me ba jo what 1 year.
Me ba jo me ti pa.
Yeah, into on that basis, one application now we another time first, now we need crata. But akola no wo no ema we hear do to exceptional circumstance. Yes one. On the basis say you can say free come a be affect akola no ne maame no. And at that time so now we need immigration, we need ingrata leave to remain no kuma. Into on that basis no dey do to 10-year route no. Now but who person will switch it to the 5-year route now. I was saying we meet straight requirement on that basis. When my menu income no, you couple my bear more than 18,000. I said, no income be 18,600 because at that time now about immigration leave to remain as a partner of a person settled in the UK. Bear my menu. It is almost sure Home Office better. I said no. Yeah, they are doing my partner route, I'm for my parent route. It is all so switching over 5 years partner route now. I was saying we meet all the straight requirements under the partner route, Unless the entire I don't know, say lawyer no can say we to be switching, Ochire
Bacho, may address we. Caller, second caller, Bacho, Jina Somaya wine. Jina Somaya na lawyer name first caller.
Okay.
Lawyer, to us all.
Yo, unless
Criminal record.
Bacho, second caller, mute to home and wine. Now, first one.
Sure. Now,
okay, lawyer, Yanko.
Yo.
Hello.
Me Bacho, Jina Somaya wine. Jina Somaya.
Okay.
Jina Somaya. Okay, lawyer, Yanko.
Yo, unless they want to be beer. Now, my baby, I know be now, Colana, what this same Roma. No one British need. Yet, me, they want to be beer, your friend, compassionate grounds.
Okay.
It in this case, you know, from the angular, yes, you know, and we are doing to swear, your friend be, and I said, you do to be a friend outside the immigration rules. Outside the immigration rules, you know, over that so 10 years, won't be straight.
Oh,
okay.
It's not different.
Okay. Yo, lawyer, wanna would it come from you know, lawyer address okay.
I know I can finish here.
Oh, okay. I need Twaso. What question follow up?
No question. You always I said. They say my 2.5 years maybe now the last one I am a I got some more 8th of August year term and one year. So me home here and I was saying we said then it's my found.
Okay.
Yo, the other to me I found. I am no lawyer, my
okay, with my lawyer there.
And you come back to lawyer, no trauma, catch up say. Almost see decision making time, no. 11 months. The okay say 12 months. Into identity na who application actually.
Yeah, okay. But now, if you must say, time I the Cobo and Sano and now Modeca. But maybe then the time I'm the two, the Coy, Monsano. And I 1 year and 8th of August, you share me. But the problem was
I started
time to go more, man, Cobo and Sano, almost catch them say, me, because of COVID-19, you know. Umbe is me older, you know, I am mammy. And you know, I'm never say December, no, 18th December, now, Obukas come no woman, Sano. You know, as the family was no question, which I'm a chairman, 18th December, now, Sana, Oma, Ada, Aba, and I say.
And if that's the case, I was so trained.
Okay. And I'm thinking question to say. Now, I don't know more kind of say, Oma Kuta, your mom 10 years, no, then that's, you know, now, your mouth, I won't got 10 years, 5 years, much 10 years. I no cry, not no cry. Because my sister, I'm not fucking
why?
Okay, yo, but without a dinner from us to me. Mama be a little come.
Yo, yeah, that's the plan. I mean, Shroud. Yeah, no, I share a video no an uncle for sweating your teeth.
May that.
Yeah, I mean, Shroud. All right, you're in it. Bye. Lawyer. And yeah, know what I'm time on BBTA. And you know, no, so we on supporting documents, no, na you know.
I know part of my way, because yeah, I come back on the English language. English language, you know, what the level A1 that the free Ghana buy as a spouse of a person settled or British citizen. Who go for renewal? I was we at level A2.
Okay.
Yeah, into English language in the ancient so, but there are so many ways you can meet the English language requirement. They be saying, now we could university degree. was say woman kofobi make confirmation and also more comparison with the English language of the UK standard. Before they from UK I test. First near from UK NARIC. Or more by assess it, no man can say it meets the UK standard of the English language, Rather than say about English language level A1, A2. Why?
Okay. Yo, I here for discuss UK spouse visa application. UK spouse visa application. Awade ewo UK ha. Na yene Wisemart follower Francis Osumpemo ha. And your lines is still open. If you have any legal question, whether it's about that topic here and any legal question, be obi to me ebisa lawyer send uncle for free bisa no so obeboa we a free consultation obusia untu consultation fee bia enti on say Ghana for the party free me kan on so say obi afre legal matters ni ba chawan free. Hello legal matters ni ba chawan one free.
Let's make us a good evening and good evening, Lawyer Francis.
Good evening, Pacho. Man, so akra my why?
Pacho,
you better now.
Yes. My question is related to this spouse visa, but Onipana is a student here. Now, person kofa ne hoka for any ne ba eba. And I'm person me who say what are the requirements as a student no wahan obey here. And then the partner na or Ghana no, so able here to get visa in.
Okay, entry clearance no. Yo, I'm a lawyer. My name is out in the question as a student. UK and a person kofa ne yere and ne ma a free Ghana ba. Ti ono sa no documents be no no be here or no hano. And oba no so or Ghana so documents be no be here for sa entry clearance application.
Yo, Usha, where your friend or student visa for dependent, and now say a dependent and a partner. Yo, for a friend of Marco, your share partner, Diana. I was a first document, I also show any their relationship. That means that they have to use their marriage certificate to show that I am part. When they follow a relationship, much as we are partners. And no, you have to prove it with your marriage certificate. And a biomonso no, your free Ghana, and who follow or free Ghana no. I was say we TB test. I was say we English language test. Normally, I will have level B1. And a biomonso no, alongside say, oh yes, Sanyoma way no. Because all back for more than 6 months, I was a TB test lawyer to show to clear it out. Say TB test on infected, and over documents are your wahano and so the best sponsor student one student mostly on juma into on to make as a financial requirement, but it should be inadequate in such a way say. Nipa ni ba ni party ni ba on may burden on the public funds being say oba beji benefit e wo krom ha nti e wo se sika kakra wo either from on side na say nipa no wa student na obo adwuma na at the same time oko school no obetimi sponsor but sakula ka ho no so no akula no they have to show a relationship dependent no relationship with student no wa ha no say ayeneba into birth set ne betimi show that relationship no so of feel say birth set ne mo ya new one bia we recommend say onye DNA no fan come and support it na mani look authentic Emma home office NG2 without any doubts into no akola no depending on the age because you have no partner no student partner no remember say oba obe use IHS nti ono so no obeji IHS ni bi obetua IHS ni bi And the omodi share say
lawyer IHS immigration help surcharge.
Help surcharge, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Because who students no ba no because you are going to use the NHS facilities in UK here.
And that's
one thing.
600 and something.
And only a 620 per year.
Okay.
It's in the student no the visa the 3 years. It will work it out obetua IHS for the 3 years. And a visa no it has to match with the student visa now. The nipa na sponsor no Oklahoma.
Okay.
Tell and the course no say maybe 4 years. It's your money 4 years the partner na ba no so your money 4 years ebesi tama no student visa no the ni be.
Okay.
Yen to me ma bibi e be bro so da.
This is what bia. Yes, the aka no.
What bia obeti afi. Into a China aka 3 years you be money 3 years.
Okay.
Well China aka 2 years you be money 2 years.
You be money 2 years and then no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. That's so that say the ban so sa. The ban has to show the relationship. Into the ban na make no either birth set we have to use something we call a DNA. Into these are the things and a sponsor the ban or no kofa akola about or so have some enough money a bet me cater for akola without recourse to public fund.
Okay.
And no home office ya shepa and a bio so no TB test about affect akola as well. To shema, these are the things or the documents you might need to make a student partner dependent visa. Why?
Okay. Now, DNA, no, what me or baby and they have accredited board
Yes, they have accredited and Kofua ube to me akoya abomo. Inti upa ube Google the Home Office accredited DNA companies. Ebe the Home Office aji o matu ni nyina aba. Why?
Okay.
And say even say or application is a UK na
online application.
All right.
The baby I will be able to me.
Okay, Intisa Obenya a list of accredited companies in Ghana for the DNA.
They work the whole worldwide. Inti ba ko e use omo ha no. Omo me na yi no Anglia ha. But omo was sub in other countries. Ghana omo obi wo.
Okay.
Inti apply ma omo ha. Na omo agin se nipa no Ghana, omo be make sure say omo agent na omo Ghana no. They will deal with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, brothers, thank you very much for calling. Why? Bye-bye. Yo, at you for I send you down here and I topic no, but yara. What a mama keep.
Oh, you make to be the time, maybe I can.
Yo, where I say keep the questions coming. We a free consultation. Your pump now for a lawyer. Can only say any different case. Yo, lawyer, if I got married outside the UK, would the UK recognize our marriage for this application? Because Ghana marriage certificate no cry authentic na we couldn't verify its authenticity from the legal counsel and lawyer adan wo mo nyintuma na sen is it here?
Yo, there are a lot of things going on about your warrior crata your applications. Because I told there be an Home Office NG, most of our marriage certificates need to. Most cases be out. Say your contact omo eya warrior. Ghana, I will say some requirements be case be what I Judge Olenuna decided that case now Ghana to show say Ghana say Kasawa warrior I will say we show some new maybe to show say warrior. And alongside UK and so there are case law baby are developed into the marriage situation. Say among recognizing ebi say CB Brazil and no case they say o wari krofufro bi so na se krono amamre what the super pe authorities are sa wari na tuma o di ba UK o di ko ba bia e was say omojitum by law.
Okay.
Inti yemfa e Ghana die wakoye amamre wakoye aware pinkrata why bibia pepepe what the omumra so yesi register why ye bibia to ye who the application home office any to me and can't say who marry certificate who boy ya why you feel say a sham marriage you feel say a marriage of convenience you feel say you feel say a fraud. It's a basa your friend will be the burden of proof. The burden of proof, no, who say, any genuine, it's on the Home Office to prove that. The entire more casa no. They are mostly the Home Office a challenge here. Omudi refuse to a kokota, a winning. Because who need your mamre or Ghana? Utimika to us, our way there, you feel say, engine too. Yes, we catch on the there be that. Our way, your dear Brasso. Yes, you said the camera.
Genuine pa.
It is a Home Office who can wait. That means I was all prepared for the court. That's how I was said, our worry war outside, you know. What about UK? Or Mujitum, as long as what did Imran so. And I say, our really for the due processing, corona would be free so bad. Or more authorities issue the marriage certificate, at the amount. Why?
Some more lawyer na kwezi no. Say nipa boka bia e kan hunu bi saa because I say I omoye saa no a na say okotwe manso. Manso isusu no the canable. When you say I want to down on my side nana lawyer.
For baby no me feel so much the for baby so they don't know the country no amamre ene omumra e wo ho. Yeah.
Okay. Now I share in a processing time no and a treaty spouse visa application. And lawyer, what is the processing time currently for this visa application, spouse visa application processing time? Say for your room.
Currently, the Home Office, MINTSS first now, Nanka 6 months, but they say called 11 months.
Wow.
And only within Hanomo. Until we have such an application now, you are expecting 11 months to get a decision, but it's subject to say obey BBFN no priority, super priority services. Because that will speed up the decision making process. Priority 1, the priority within within the next 5 working days we make a decision. Also, your super priority within 24 hours no. I will say unya decision. That does the difference. Processing time no. Is it here? Say.
All right. Now, you share nia obetimi dia ye se obikuta spouse visa no a dia no obetimi dia ye e wo krom ha obetimi dia adwuma obetimi dia todan obetimi dia be business dia no obetimi dia ye na we ha nia ontimi mfanye so
yo obviously there working nyina no obetimi aye.
Okay.
But nyina is subject to say omit the eligibility of those the wabobo dey no e be saying bia who person we adwuma ra ne say me requirements ni who meet who ka say o meet fine or the adwuma ne be ma who person ko high dan ra ne say you say who be high dan I was say me check o krata I'm so me was sponsor visa. It will check in a tomwa ubet me at the diner mammy. Every so a person go school. No so no ubet to me ako school on the basis of inkrata or visa or leave to remain Kruma under the spousal visa. See, nothing stops you from normal you are entitled to. I was say we but yeah, share at the bottom, won't me and find ye. And they saying, won't me public funds.
Okay.
Won't me and public funds. And only the main thing. Yes.
And I have friends say Kofi.
Yes. It does the main thing. Won't me and
okay.
Apart from say, we enjoy, we go school, we are Juma, we are Nyoma, we go behind dying, and I say for. Why?
Your lawyer, now hold on me a question. Sir, benefit 7. Say sometime be now can say some of them no restriction we can be move to me a year or more year free to remove the no recourse to public funds. Then he said will be akofa akowa na iraba no under what circumstance now me remove sir no recourse to public funds now or timid akoji benefit no be no.
Yo, the etienne say okofa ne nuka for eba. Yeah, not mostly our problem say or call for renewal. It is or call for renewal. The yeah etienne say I was say what chair say obey to me and me the financial requirement ni bibia ye.
Okay.
But say I would ba na se nyoma ento ye ontimi miti all these things are yeah etienne say or the two say I have a change of circumstance.
Okay.
That will push or that will let them know say no. So when you change of circumstance then that means Uber apply towards circumstances into no recourse to public fund no so by making income and expenditure table for them to know say you can't meet with needs with essential needs. That will make it say okay meet all the requirements in T and now say financially you are struggling to meet your essential needs into on that basis who person will apply for say any no recourse to public fund influence so say never ya to me apply for any benefits we are eligible to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Because circumstance at the time of the application they met the financial requirements na bibia ekoso. Name say atorenchem de monka ye tebia bibia si na bikra when they lost a job and say when you some accident bi na bia ahochira ba na say no kwan bi be ho sama no na say what about say wabedu ha no na say nikunu na the spouse na you ha no na juma sesa does it have any impact on their renewal?
Yes. A father been yes, a father been no.
Okay.
Ubana ukno ejuma sisa no wakonya ejuma foforo na e feel say income no was sure. Bibia and say obetimi use the new company income no. Na bia obana na ejuma say ya ontimi nya ejuma foforo na ko renewal. It doesn't mean say ukru pen ebetimi as sponsor. At that time no one crata. Ko ya ejuma.
Okay.
Inti one obetimi as sponsor.
Oh, okay.
Normally, it's a combination of the partner and the sponsor. And now, the sponsor, neither the partner.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow. Hey, and I said, no, so I think say options we also have.
Yeah.
You are here for and yeah, discussing most your time no cry ask but lawyer so beche akra. UK spouse visa application. UK spouse visa application. Enti sila no mo timi de questions about say what question be up say lawyer a normal efasa topic yi ho ana say wo any other legal question be a obetimi abisa. Aye. Now, say lawyer, so can I live in a shared accommodation or to relatives when I get my spousal visa? Say me kuna be na me yera be fama ba. Na me ba ha metimi akotra me anka say me busu afo bi nchen. Without necessarily say me kotena me partner nchen. And I know betimi ha adwen.
Yo, sir, me ba to kan here. Wo say wa ba na o person kotena. O betimi aka o last question na ma.
I say my obi abeware me aba say me kunu ana say me yere. So na say mabedru ha. Can I live in a shared accommodation or with relatives when I get my spouse visa?
Yo, yes. The answer is yes, because immigration rules no emma okwan say I was say we need adequate accommodation without recourse to public fund for the family, including other family members who are not included in the application but who live in the same household. No sound immigration rules nika. Tier one is it boils down to be a friend overcrowding.
Okay.
Overcrowded property. Inti unyan overcrowded property bempe that falls under a friend of Housing Act. Inti part 5 of the Housing Act and they say we assessment one room no obani be man betimi atina one room.
Okay.
Inti answer Inti se mako na ma nya mo apartment mako Ghana beka ne compound house shared house bi na oni oba no ni be ma no mo one room who go for renewal as long as yama tenancy agreement to say what is our property mo no nothing stops you from say you can't meet why
Okay, so let's look at the journey from spouse visa to British citizenship. Say obi akoware wa ba na wakware obi aba on a spouse visa no. Whether say inside or na say from outside. What is the journey from then to British citizenship?
Yo, the journey is let's start from saying Awukano, Obiako Wario Efri, Amanone Aba, Ayi, Ghana. Obeji entry clearance, I would have Baby Rem for 2.5.
Okay.
But before then, you have additional 3 months, would have entry clearance from Baby I'll free now the Baby Rem. Until you travel first renewal, we are over before extension. Into extension no be another 2.5. Into you can't nimi enuboma na 5 years. Into you call for settlement, you call for indefinite leave after that 13 months, 2.5, 60 months, Into you now indefinite leave option a war to naturalize as a British citizen, say oh, now when you're indefinite leave, no. Who worry British in here? Now say who worry British in here.
Okay.
So who worry British in here? And Brand say under the Nationality Act 1981, no. Akwa Jawo ho say who worry British in here? Who ni kwan say when you indefinite, when you settlement now, it was say we train for 1 year. There be that.
Okay.
I was say we course straight. Now we apply for naturalization.
Okay.
But, sir, who 2.5, first initial 2.5 now, as entry clearance now be real, The BBT will change of circumstances, sir, want to meet all the requirements now. Yeah, they will took 10-year route to settlement.
Wow.
Because a strict requirement you need to meet. So why is here? Why to meet this requirement now? I was someone they would took 10-year route in order for them say now they are infringing onto your Article 8 human rights, which is the all right to family life. It's on that basis, instead of saying compare refusal, no, almost no, you found to 10-year route, they try to 2.5, 4 times. It's yembra, yenyanuma, almost settlement, but almost worry British for no.
Okay.
In this case, I was saying we train for 12 months, and now I say we train for a year. Now, after that, I apply for naturalization to become a British citizen. It's not that's the journey over to be a British citizen. On top of that, buy a British passport.
Wow. And easy. I'm sure will be questioning your dear, but I say, please, can a friend sponsor a student in the UK as her dad is late and her mom is not financially sound? What documents are needed? I'll take it again. Can a friend sponsor a student in the UK as her dad is late and her mom is not financially sound? What documents are needed? Lawyer.
A friend can do that because it was either a relative or a friend.
Okay.
If a friend can do that by a friend showing himself or what that huge amount of money if a student no baby share them, the cost mean you cater for.
Oh,
okay.
First,
what they already be shown in the bank statement.
Okay.
And our year Juma was said the pay slip say Pia Nisika. So no any company I was say was sharing the tax returns or sharing say Nisika baby on your free. Why? These are the things I was say wouldn't meet the financial requirement. So all sponsor will be as a friend. Why?
Okay. Yo, lawyer. So to form say question no lawyer no. Now what happens if the application is refused? What can you do? What options are available to you, sir?
Normally when it comes to such an application, and an American, any application be involve human rights claim, Article 8, automatically when you be a right of appeal.
Okay.
Sir, you refuse your application now, who will be a right of appeal? The right of appeal, ube through first-tier tribunal, immigration and asylum chambers in the UK.
Okay.
Yeah. And no now what go through what you say, oral hearing or paper hearing. Especially paper hearing is £80. Oral hearing is £140. To try to the court now. Court now, home office in Kokose. Now, application or refusal no. Also, person so we appeal. Who have to show grounds of appeal. Who do grounds of appeal in the back? Now, home office, the copy a comma. Now, court the copy a comma home office. Sir, this is what you've lodged, and this is who grounds are whatever. The home office no more as I say. No, home office a benefit, sir. Either Omedia and also Omemia court. Now, mostly home office because say court. About back to court and court after and decided to fix hearing date. And now so Becca say each parties have to prepare a bundle towards the hearing. No mama a time frame. The area no more bundles, no more exchange here, no more range for be your friend or hearing. At times it could be a remote hearing, at times it could be a face-to-face hearing. These are the things we need to consider and watch it out. Now, no refusal for application. These are the processing I will go through. It's hearing on the course of the hearing. The case, judge but not full say. Case now to assume, grounds are raising out to assume who are enough documents, as my home office car, and to assume we need appeal.
Okay.
Now, sir, of course, and call here. A to assume we need appeal now. I began to say appeal has been allowed. Sir, of course, say go here, obey refuse to appeal no. And no, first year tribunal refuse who permission to do appeal to the upper tribunal. Permission, if granted, that you better work upper tribunal to continue your litigation over there. That's what they made me account for now.
Yo, lawyer, now, sir, right of appeal, you say a human right. But Matisse, some situations where visa decision, you know, they will say you have no right of appeal. Lawyer, then also there, I didn't know to me, yes, I don't know.
Yes, I am. My scenario, a business visit visa. You bet me refuse you catch yourself. Who need right of appeal?
Why? Say no say human right breach. And I'm
afraid say no human right breach.
Hey, lawyer.
Also, visit visa. Yeah. Unless there is a family issue involved here. And on the Home Office, they assess it and come out and say which entails the human rights claim and which does not. But here, I remember we be a friend of administrative review.
Okay.
Yeah. But for appeal under the visit visa, it's hardly for them to give you.
And the maybe any parent they hear no power, visit ni hear no power. Now,
yeah, no. Visit, yeah, it doesn't involve a family issue regarding, say, Article 8 can defend you of the human rights. This is how they look at it and assess it.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, you are coming to visit a relative, a family.
Yes.
Okay, relation now, maybe so there you can stand and say, okay, I many part of the man visiting one.
And that's it. If your relative, you person I didn't back Ghana.
Okay.
You know, so they have to penny. No, who bet me a service and visit base and say, Uba very relative. Until they can't deny you. If or we deny you have the right of appeal. This is a family issue. But Mansutrina Obetrino compared to Sika or the best application for now. You first say Ubeja Manaka Nanka application for.
Take case, someone decided no more deny the right of appeal. Can you take them to court for?
So, say this involves a human rights claimer. You can take them to court, but you start with something we call a pre-action protocol. Then after that, you go for judicial review.
Say no, they'll be here, lawyer.
Yes.
I never be a lawyer. Didn't know media. Say terms no TV in this. Be humo. Yo, my last question. At you for. So we be a question now. I'm for my poem, Miss Row. Until if I brand Temanzan a poem. And say now can about say whether a person will be put on a 5-year route or on a 10-year route. No, they have to meet certain strict requirements.
Yeah.
So want to meet here, then they put in your 10. So lawyer, what are these strict requirements? No, now apply for you because we are anywhere or apply na 5-year route to her because of a person who 10-year route. What are these strict requirements? I say ni penny meet. Say be we koya application. Then you will say we meet those ones no. Na what me enya 5-year route no instead of 10.
Yo, the strict requirements in the saying that who yes spouse visa within UK have strict requirements say almost no and they been saying your immigration requirements say at that time no visa no in we na back for renewal.
Okay.
Your relationship requirements say and pass waware or sponsor na. Your accommodation requirements say baby I want to sponsor anything no okay it's not overcrowded. Under the Part 5 of the Housing Act, you know. And almost the last one is you still meet the English language requirements. And these are the strict requirements. So when we meet these strict requirements now, also said there is exceptional circumstance. That's where they switch you to the 10-year route, you know.
Oh, okay. Joe,
Yeah.
I will be question about Sister Tina Latifa Jones. Or say, please, if someone has a 2 years visitor UK visa, can it be changed to working visa? Wow. I like your question, Sister Jones. So if someone has a 2 years UK visitor visa, can it be changed to working visa? Lawyer.
Yo, me da say the etienne say normally the word visitor visa no. It seems say you pick things out of it well. You have multiple visa, single visa, visitors visa, any 6 months the amount. And now who fill it for look I say maybe do 1 month, maybe do 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
Because say any 1 month, 2 months visa wo any amount 6 months no.
Okay.
The 6 months number one doesn't mean say we so twa 6 months ni nyina. The who catch wo mu no and omo de ma wo.
Okay.
The amount be very careful. Likewise any about question. The amount 2 years. No a multiple. In the 2 years nature say I was say uko na uba. Mem for UK enye wo grow say me person be settle wo UK ha na me ye adwuma. First, as I will breach the condition of the visa.
Lawyer, our text will say it's a multiple visa, so you are right then.
Yes. Into on that basis, yes, I will breach the condition of the visa, no. Because the word is visitors visa. But visiting, one can't just say the year Juma.
Lawyer, now I think so. Say, is there any opportunity to switch?
Yo,
is there any opportunity
to
switch?
That way, no, there isn't any opportunity to switch. Say me Babylon, then I'll push him.
Oh, okay, Kabra.
Because now me say your mouth visitors visa, stick to that. Oh, switch here. Conditions for her, you have to start all over again with a different say. Your mouth visitors visa and no conditions now meet here near the mouth. To switch here was all switching for working visa. And the working visas are so many. Point basis the open skilled worker visa. So unless you meet the requirements, won't be switching from visitors visa to that. It meet the requirements in order for you to apply for, rather than say multiple visitors visa. I will say they switching in country. At times it doesn't work that way.
Your lawyer, memfa scenario be name for sister question. Sebia, who could have multiple visitors visa. And Obaha Obako. Enti sa a like health and care workers a visa. Nebia, so when your company bia obetimia sponsor no. On to switch your kruma to that company and I just go fee and sign your application from there.
Oh, the word is what did you in about?
What the visitor's visa?
Yes. It's what I always advise as a lawyer. They say, what the visitor's visa in about? But pay sponsor licenses being the employer in UK here. In Juba, no, I can't tell you, say, visa now me put admit to me, you say, this is me coffee now sponsor me.
Okay.
So, because on all the license sponsor, and also I have to also be careful.
Okay.
Because there's also a breach in the license, into Uka Sacha, Juman Wapa to work, Ukofia, no, a bow, I'm away on Krata, Ababi rep. In this time, no, Umba as a basic baser, but Oba as a skilled worker baser. Yeah, you should. License a ma or employer now, ultimate employer. And I will be now, what you might ready or on that.
You cannot make the application in the UK.
I'm afraid no, because of your visa now.
Okay.
The type of a visa, yeah.
Okay. Yo, I am Sister Tina. Okay. He says thank you, lawyer. I'm Tim say I say. Yo abusia for I hana yede enen common bisi. Lawyer no mo ene di nkomo lawyer Francis Bosompem Wisemart Solicitors yene omo edi nkomo hona ofri. Enti said I want to know my being on Branumpa UK in Krata Sem and Emran Semu. In the lawyer way there briefly no enyuma ben sa na moye in Krata Sem de nim say moye number 1. Apart from in Krata Sem no dey bi na moye kan.
Yo me da say your family your advice on employment and your civil litigation man should train obi de woka and na sefo and your nationality say be a person or naturalized as a British citizen. Now say we register with bar as a British citizen. Ni na ye be appeals, ye judicial review, ye entry clearance to say na ye can then this class here and spousal visa say work hanu mudada. But say okofo be outside UK ha say Ghana was say we entry clearance. The entry clearance applications the yebi under the spousal well as well appeals in as if for. These are the things Ghanaian customary lawyer be wo mu papa say na home office tem bia mo ni edi achinie no ye trouble say na amabere ni sitie nti e ba sa no na nso nti bibia ase fa wa be hu yen na ye be kire wo why ye ka bi ye da ase say na nso waso emu ama e de adwumade na ba wiye say da se na oba de che ya ye be koso aba na ya cheche ye tiefo Ashefo Ebrana send the AC corner. Ya cramo, Wisemart Solicitors. Bye bye.
Yo, medase pa lawyer, Yamisha, Yamia Doma next week, so ye beba makache. Yo, a tiefo, I maybe I will be a share no, and Kabaki to be say. I your mobile app no ewo Mr. Ramo, enti mon download mine. And not the old download you can listen to us 24/7 because radio station yampon. And to say any live on Facebook Kranoa, you can still tune in to us. Just go to Play Store or App Store and search for Top Online Radio UK. Top Online Radio UK. Or call Play Store and App Store. Now tap in Top Online Radio UK. Yeah, app no beba. Another way, say, to make it easy, you can just go to our website. We call our website for toponlinestation.com. Top TOP onlinestation.com. We call in the middle of the page, app download links buttons one for App Store and one for Play Store. Just click on the link and voila, you can download our free mobile app. Free ebusian for yanton free. I know dear sir, we download via you can tune in to us 24/7. 24/7. I send a program so I did bano say we are introducing our new Christian preaching program. I remember so this Saturday 8 to 9 p.m. Reverend George Boahin. I didn't remember if it is so. Number 8 to 9. And to make it a date and tune in to your friend program near today in Salvation Hour. Salvation Hour this Saturday, 8 to 9 p.m. UK time. Na eti Reverend George Boahin. He will come your way with powerful sermon teaching on basically on salvation, righteousness, and it's about the word of God, the pure word of God. Na bi soebompaye so aka enti yenhye so. You can that program will be streaming live on Facebook and YouTube as well. So don't miss it. This every Saturday, 8 to 9 p.m. UK time. But please download our mobile app. Na ebebwa. And yen a man called to say I actually say ebusianfo. I more moment if you missed this week. That is INRA episode of a man common I will encourage you, say, go to our Facebook or YouTube page. Now, go hear video. No, it was powerful. Abusia and some she said, "Nipa home, ha." Abusia, and somewhere over him might be the buyer. No, wow, what here na abusia say, "Hey," and then we are see dear na kosui. We are say we are so say nipa ni nyina ya dwene nya papa. God in somewhere ACC binum abrabo mu a abusa say from the way and a man common program every Tuesday 8 to 9:30 p.m. or he might be I ebebana or the sa komono a true life stories and sembi atotunion bia or more an abro or muso pese the trotto home na bia obi adwin bia adwin chire bia odo ba no na ebeboa no nurse no so afa because abusia and 70 bi wa to a utim say wan kasa wa adwin no adwin akosi so na hu any headway but bia nkrofo so on they about program so na nkrofo chire o madwin say oh okay that idea na bra no kan no bi say oh ebetimi aboa wo entimi sro mo yen hye no so pa Tuesdays 8 to 9:30 p.m. The more programs will come your way. And quite chukra. I program other sponsors a certified accountant limited. I'm here UK for accountant or UK hanum Ghana for accountant or UK ha. And say UK now here accountant. We want to encourage recommend certified accountants for you. So we are self-employed, limited company. And sorry. I'm claiming gift aid. Claim CIS tax refund. Cab drivers. Whether it's mini cabos, black cabo, hairdressers. As long as it has to do with accounting or tax, the certified accountants and uhia omo. Omo Ghana for into kwa kasebia person can be omo ebeju. I number between from also 0208 226 4933. That is 0208 226 4933. I almost hear payroll services as well. Say we are juma na our staff employees. I say utio moka. I need na your payroll amount. Come. Enti abusiafo enhye no so na answer na no ye other sponsors this sa travel and tours company is a bebre enti ebetin kabo every those other sponsors no na say who here obi service then you know the number to call.
Remember this. Top Online Radio,
the home of top Ghanaian music, news and interviews in the UK.
Stay tuned.